Do old people have sex? How old is too old? What point do we stop just being able to have sex? These are the questions that we're going to answer in this short video. If you are getting to the age where you feel a bit older and you're wondering, is this still normal? Should I be having sex? Should I give up on sex? Or if you're thinking about your future life and wondering, am I going to still be having sex? You're in the right place. Let me start off by saying that sex when we're older generally has a bad reputation. We don't see much in the media. We often think of things like our parents or our grandparents having sex and feeling of like, ugh. So there's a repulsion. There's almost a feeling of repulsion associated with older people having sex. And in my opinion, that's totally wrong. We want to distance ourselves from that feeling of repulsion. And how do we do that? Well, we need to reframe how it feels and what we think about, what we almost imagine when it comes to being older and having sex. So instead of thinking about a toothless old person who's not able to, do anything, not able to get hard, or it's just really awkward or whatever it may be, instead of having these associations in our mind, let's switch it to what about a couple who have prioritized looking after themselves. Yes, they've aged, but they've aged with grace. They still have fun. They still have a sparkle in their eye. They still have laughter together. And how beautiful is it that after all of these years, they've maintained that relationship and they also still like to pleasure each other in many different ways. Like, that's a beautiful thing. These are the types of images that we want in our mind, because then we feel more drawn to it, like, oh, that's not so bad after all, rather than thinking about our grandparents having sex and thinking like, oh. So that's the first thing, changing the association. And why do we want to do that? Well, many of us now are going to be living for a lot longer. I'm in my mid-30s, but even people that are in their 50s, 60s, we're all going to be living for longer because of advances in healthcare, and especially with AI. Really, we have the option to give up on sex, or we make it enjoyable as we age. I know which camp I'm in. The second, let me hit you with some facts. These are just some fun examples, but it shows the point that there isn't an age limit for sex. There's not a cap at which we should give up on sex. There's actually no limit on the body. There's nothing that shuts down or shuts off and means that no, sex is just not possible. Absolutely not. First of all, some research that was done with couples that were together for decades and decades and decades. Their guidance was that it was about keeping the spark alive. Keeping the spark alive. It was nothing about, okay, we need to be having sex X amount of times per week. It was about doing the date nights, kissing, cuddling together, sharing moments, sharing memories, laughing together, doing things to build the closeness, to protect the bond, keep the spark alive. That's number one. And then number two, the fun facts. The oldest male porn star was well into his 80s, and I looked and I think he's still going, and he's around 89 now. Okay, so that's the oldest male porn star. He started in his 60s. The oldest female porn star, she started in her 50s and she was going well into her 70s. So these are just fun examples. I know that's just two people, but it's an example to show that sex limits are not based on our age. It can be a forever lasting thing if we want it to be. It's more about keeping the spark alive. Grace and Frankie is a Netflix series and also a film called The Notebook. Okay, these two things, I'm going to go and check them out and watch them, but I was doing the research and found that they talk about and show in a nice, healthy way sex as we age. If this video has been helpful for you, I also recommend you to do one other thing, which is to click the subscribe button on the bottom right. You'll see a red box. If you have enjoyed what you've heard today, then click that button so that you can get the latest videos and tools as I share them.